Hey YouTube, it's your boy Ty Man back with another update. So just starting out, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over the FX book like how I typically do. So as y'all can see, this right here says Ty's Pamm conservative. As you can see now, we have a total gain of 181% for the month, and and guys, we almost towards the end of this month. Max drawdown still 26.76%. We haven't got close to that 30% since then. Total profit now is $12,194. For today, we at 0.00 because this is after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so this is a new trading day. For the week, we already up 7%. Like I said, for the month, it's 174.53%. This year, 181.05. All right. And then, as you can see right here too, it says the profits for this week because for the profits for the day was close to about 2,000. We in two trades right now, and as y'all can see right here, here's the month. So now what I'm about to do is switch back over so y'all can see the screen. So right now we running $124 in profit. Well, might as well say 75. The balance now is 32,000. I had some more investors join. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna backdate this to yesterday, which was Monday, so y'all can see the profit. So the profit that we made yesterday from trading was 1892.39. Like I said, as you can see, we had about $2,500 get deposited into the Pamm, and then whenever we look at it for the total month, 27,000 in deposits, 12,000 in profit, and haven't reached the 30% drawdown. And now we floating $282 in profit, close to 300, guys. I plan on holding this trade for a nice little minute. So if this goes down to what I'm expecting it to do, we should reach at least like a 250% gain by the end of the month. So with that being said, man, y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to add me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Instagram. Add me on Facebook. And see y'all in the next update video. Peace.